Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is Simple Stamping Day. Today I want to show you how to do a really cute and easy card. Now this card, let's bring this up, this card you can use for anything because there's nothing on the outside, and you can put whatever sentiment you want. Thank you, happy birthday, congratulations on the inside of that. What we're going to be using is we're going to be using the stamp set Daisy Lane. For ink, we are going to be using Old Olive, Crushed Curry, and we're going to be using the Early Espresso from the Neutrals Early Espresso Stampin' Right marker. And for cardstock, we're going to be using a Very Vanilla note card. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is with the Old Olive, I'm going to ink up the fern. And I'm going to stamp that in each of the corners of the Very Vanilla note card. And this is just going to frame the daisy. And you could use almost any green if you want. You can also use the Whisper White note cards. I like it a little bit better on the Very Vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to show you a trick on how to do the daisy. The daisy, I did it at first with two Stampin' Right markers, but I found that it didn't look as nice as I wanted it. So I am going to ink it up first with the Crushed Curry, and that's the lightest color. And then with the darker color, Early Espresso, I'm just going to color it in. Now it's okay to put, you're picking up the light color, so it's not really going to matter much on the Early Espresso. If you were doing it the other way, and you were doing the Early Espresso and then stamping over or inking up with the Crushed Curry, you would get Early Espresso on your Crushed Curry, and that's not very good. And then I am just going to stamp that in the center there. And there you have it. Now, of course, we don't want to leave a naked envelope. So I'm just going to do one more of these. I'm going to stamp that right on the back. And then I'm going to stamp one on the front. There you go. Remember to follow me on YouTube. All the supplies you need to make this is down below. I want to thank you for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.